Let's wear the cloud sweater together. Pick up a size 5 yarn and a 15mm crochet hook. I used Durable Dare from Durable Yarn, and start by chaining 30 stitches for the neckline. Chain 1 and work 1 single crochet into each stitch. This will count as a foundation round, so don't count it into your yoke depth. Starting with the second round, we will continue working into continuous rounds, and we will start increasing. So work 2 stitches into the first stitch, 2 half double crochet, and then 1 half double crochet into the next 2 stitches. We will increase with 10 stitches per round each time, and we will do these increases every other round until we will have 10 rounds in total. Don't join, just continue working right into the first stitch. After finishing 10 rounds, we will split into sleeves and body. Work for the back panel 27 stitches. Then chain 2 and skip 13 stitches for the sleeve. Then work the front panel stitches, 27 again. And we will skip the second sleeve, 13 stitches and chain 2. Now that we finish with the splitting round, we continue to work on the length of our sweater, and then we will pick up the stitches for the sleeves and work the sleeve length. To finish off the sweater, I chose the 6.5mm crochet hook and worked first 1 round in single crochet by working 2 stitches into 1 stitch, 1 stitch into the next, followed by 2 rounds in slip stitches. And that was it.